Hello, magical beings. Welcome back to the Digital Witch. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature of ChatGPT that you may not know about, the Explore section. It's a treasure trove of tools designed to make your life more productive and enchanted. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Digital Witch to stay updated with all our mystical content. The Explore section in ChatGPT offers you a variety of tools that go beyond just text chatting. Whether you're using the free or paid version, there's something here to level up your magic and boost your productivity. Locate and click Explore GPTs on the top left side on the screen. First up, ChatGPT offers free tools like web browsing for real-time information, perfect for spell research, planning rituals, or checking trends in mystical crystals. You also get data analysis for practical tasks like organizing your herbs or tracking moon phases for spellcasting with some usage limits. And there's more. The GPT Store is a marketplace for custom GPTs. Whether you need help with affirmations, tarot spreads, or organizing spell books, there's something for you. Some GPTs are free, others are paid. Explore and find what interests you. For all the creative witches, ChatGPT integrates with DALL, a tool that turns your text prompts into beautiful images. While free users have limited access, it's perfect for creating quick visuals for your digital altar or vision board. Personally, I've used DALL to bring my children's stories to life with magical illustrations. To use it, simply head to the Explore section, find the DALL tool, type in your description, and watch your image come to life. If you love the final result, save it and use it in your projects. So how can these tools enhance your magical practice? Let's say you're planning your week around the moon phases and need help organizing your spells, rituals, and meal plans. With web browsing and custom GPTs, you can create a complete magical planner. Or if you're learning a new skill, like reading tarot, there's a GPT to help you track your progress and offer tips along the way. All right, witches, it's time to cast your own productivity spell. Head over to the Explore section, try out one of these tools, and let me know in the comments what you discovered. I'd love to hear how these magical features helped you boost your practice. Thank you for joining me today, and if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more magical tips and tricks. Until next time, stay mystical.